I'm gonna show you real quick what's the status of my Amazon business, and then we're gonna get into what happened. As you can see, it's completely empty, and now let me exactly tell you what the heck happened and how did I lose my Amazon business. So keep watching, stay tuned till the end, and please don't forget to subscribe and check out the other content on my channel. Let's go. Back in my uniform. Right folks, what is up? How is everybody doing? Welcome back to yet another video on this channel. Oh man, it's been a while since I've done that. Alright folks, so I'm gonna keep this video super short. I'm not gonna be really doing a lot of storytelling. I'm just gonna get straight to the point and tell you what the heck happened. Alright, so on April 5, Amazon pulled my listing down once again. Yes, so if you have been following my channel for a while, and if you have been connected with me, you know this has happened to me in the past a couple of times. Once during the Q4 and once in January, and now it happened to me again last month, and I'm extremely frustrated with all of this that goes on with Amazon. So that is the fact. I'm sharing honest truth with you guys, so please, for that sake, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button right now. I mean right now, just do it. It'll take a second, just do it. All right, so what the heck happened? So my biggest competitor finally came behind me. All right, I've been following that competitor from the very beginning. They are a very huge company. They even have offline stores in the USA, but I've made sure from the very beginning of my business, since the time I selected this product, that I was not infringing on any trademarks, and that is true. That is 100% true. I did my due diligence. I did not infringe on any trademark. But what happened? All right, so imagine this is my product right here, right? And this product, this box had a very specific design element on it. All right, I'm not going to reveal what was that design element, because then you can probably just reverse research my product. But yeah, there was a design element on the product, all right, not the entire box design. Now what happened was, my competitor also had this design, and I think what happened while in the process of designing this product was, when I gave my competitor's design or competitor's product as a reference to my designer, I think he exactly replicated that particular design element. So what happened? Well, they did not have the trademark for it back then, of course, because I checked that before we launched the product, but they had applied for the trademark for that particular design element in June of 2018, and they received the trademark in January 2019, and that's when things got serious. After that probably was, they looked at the market and basically went through every listing in the market who were trying to compete with them, and they've probably found my listing because I was selling quite well, and I sold over 10,000 units of my product just last year. So that's a very huge market share, right? So basically they filed a trademark infringing report to Amazon, and Amazon came behind me and shut my listing down. All right, so that's what happened, and after that my listing was shut, blocked, my ASIN got marked as restricted, and I obviously could not sell any units. What did I do after that? Let's get into that. Alright folks, but before we move ahead and I tell you exactly how am I trying to solve it, and I have actually solved it 90% of the problem right now, please don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I create the next video. And I'm always very honest with you guys. As you know, I'm not making any sales on Amazon right now, but I'm not stressed because I'm actually pursuing a different thing at the moment. But yeah, that's for another time. So what did I have to do? Basically, I had to fix that design element in my inventory. So I still had about 800 units of my inventory when Amazon basically shut me down. So what I had to do basically was remove all of my inventory from Amazon, fix that design element on the product. All right, so for the current inventory, I'm basically just putting up a sticker on that area of the design element so that the product doesn't infringe any more trademark issues. And of course, with the new product or the new batch of product, I will get it updated in the design itself. Now, what I did after I did that was I actually hired somebody. All right, I will probably share his name and details with you guys once we win this case, once you know it goes through, and then you guys can basically reach out to him in case you need any help in that direction. But yeah, I had to hire a lawyer, and he is helping me with writing these plan of actions to Amazon because it's kind of complicated. If you want to do that yourself, you might spend a couple of weeks in just figuring out how do you write it in the right way, and I did not really want to do that. I did not want to stress over it. I just wanted to make it very simple for myself, so I had to spend some money. So yeah, that's what happened. And basically after we fixed it, we told Amazon that we have done it. We showed all the proofs, we showed all the documents, we told them that we are not infringing any of the trademark issues anymore. And in the previous reply that I received from Amazon, they did not deny that we were not infringing. They probably accepted that, but they wanted us to fix the listing as well. But my listing was down, so I had to contact them again. I told them that, hey, my listing is down, I cannot update any of the information on my listing, so please help me with that. So right now I am at that particular point or stage of my process, and I'll keep you guys updated and posted with what happens, and if I get my listing back, I will let you know. All right. Apart from that, I'm actually working on my next product. It's been going slow. I'm kind of like floating around. I'm a little bit lost right now. I'm just frustrated with all of these issues that go around with Amazon. And my next product, unfortunately, also has a battery, so I have to get that resolved and get that approved as a listing before I even place the order. So that is taking some time. Right. So that's about it. If you have any more questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comments and join the group Republic of Sellers. Until next time, this is your friend Rish signing off.